Now that I've got my holes ready, I'm just coming in with some ice, and I am adding some Hershey's chocolate syrup directly on top of my ice here for this easy Easter treat. I'm gonna bring this over here to my blender, and we're just gonna add all that in. Now I'm coming in with some Swiss Miss hot cocoa mix. And this kind does have marshmallows, you can do with or without, and I'm adding in about 1/4 of a cup. Now I've got my rich and creamy chocolate frosting. I'm coming in with my cookie scooper, and I'm gonna start adding some balls of my rich and creamy right on into the mix here. Now you can use any kind of chocolate you like. I like to use a blend of chocolates to really drive the flavor home. And this frosting was in my refrigerator, so it's a little sticky. I'm using about 1/3 of a cup, or about 4 good sized balls here. A couple of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Perfect, just a little bit of those for some texture. I'm gonna add a little bit of the strong unsweetened cacao just to give this like another dimension of flavor. You can always put some coffee in here. If you chill a shot of espresso or some Baileys, whatever you like. Because we want this to be nice and frothy, I am going to put in some heavy whipping cream here, about 1/4 of a cup again. And I've just got some vitamin D milk, and I am going to put in about 1/2 a cup of this. Alrighty, we are ready to get our lid on top of our blender here. Y'all, we are making the most delicious, easy Easter treat. Now, you could also do this for any other holiday. It doesn't have to be for Easter, but that's what I like it for. Ooh, look at that. The mix is coming together so well. All those ingredients. I wanna just make sure we're gonna get all that ice broken up, all of the chocolate chips, that heavy whipping cream is gonna get nice and foamy. All right, we're about halfway ready here, but I am just going to make sure we're getting everything well incorporated. There was a few things that were at the top here because of that ice that weren't getting totally combined. So I am just making sure we've got this all silky smooth. Seeing if we need any more. I don't think we need any more liquid or milk. I think this is looking really beautiful in texture. So I am just going to finish this up. While you're waiting, you can shake it like a milkshake and bring all the bunnies to your yard. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna remove my lid here. Bringing these back over to my eggs. And I am going to use my large size funnel here. And I'm gonna go a little bit slowly, just so I make sure I don't overfill my Ferrero Rocher eggs. Perfect. So about 2 pours, like a count of 3 or 4 per egg. All right, I'm just coming in with my whipped cream here. We're just filling in the tops of our egg holes. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have set a bad precedence here. My children come when they hear the psh of the whipped cream. Is that like a pup cup at home? We don't need to go out for pup cups. We have them at home. Coming in with some Easter sprinkles. So pretty. Oh my gosh, there's little bunnies, all kinds of cute stuff. I just picked these up at Walmart, y'all. They've got some really good Easter stuff right now. Oh, I wanted at least one pink one on there. All right, and just to finish it off, I got some milkshake straws here. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. You can just give these to the kids on Easter or the adults, especially if you put like a little coffee or Baileys in them. You know, everyone can carry them around. They're kept cool, and at the end, they're edible. How awesome is that? Okay. That is the best chocolate drink I have ever had. Y'all, this is so good. You gotta try it.